Life is a journey. One step wrong can make you fall. But if you just thought that only, your game's over. Right away. Well, listen to this. You are going to put that one step at the right place at the right time. That's what I'm telling you. Be the change. From the past couple of months, I've seen my creativity slipping away through my fingers. My mind was stuck. I started thinking like, okay, tomorrow's gonna be more exciting, but again, same day, same routine. We all feel stuck this year. Feel that this is something we never thought of happening. Something which has ruined all the plans we had. Everything's changed. Change is inevitable. Change is good. I love setting my goals and picturing what my life could look like someday. But I always have to remind myself that our life isn't happening in future. It's the present we live in. I realized that we always let our feelings to dictate our actions instead of allowing our actions to dictate our feelings. Well, which is pretty obvious seeing how our mind works. We can dream of going places, living on mountains, maybe near the shore. But dreams won't make you happy. As this lockdown or the COVID state hit us, our mind has started perceiving that, okay, as soon as it gets over and everything gets back to normal, we'll be all free, happy. Well, let me tell you one thing. Achieving your dreams won't make you happy, but the process of following them will surely do. And what matters the most are the moments we never thought that could mean something in our life at that time, but just open your phone's gallery and look at your pictures of last couple of years. And if you see the ups and downs besides the happiness, my friend, you are just living way back. Trust me. Life is seamlessly simple. You just gotta live it. It's perfectly natural, especially in a time like this, to wish for things to be different and to think about a better future. Setting goals and fighting for the better future is a beautiful thing. But till then, you are thinking to do or to start doing something, someone else has already started that. And the only reason that they were able to pull it off much sooner than you, because you were busy thinking what your life could be after you are off the better phase. So why not cut the shit and just start hustling?
We'll sleep before the morning takes hold. Cause in a moment we'll be tired and weak, buried like a dog in the back of the yard, and find a good philosophy before the weight of all the numbers comes crashing to reality.
Well, I know this doesn't even need to be said, but man, what a weird year. Many lost jobs, many got self-employed, maybe started their own online business. Lack of income happened, stayed in 9 to 5 typical, which was meant to be the safe side. See what happened to the people who were doing it. Well, I'm not pointing out anyone, but okay, why not? Hobbies got changed, interests got changed. Everything's just different. I think the power of making all the change worth it and to mean something lies beneath ourselves. I've had lived bad days, good days, and truly speaking, I'm feeling good now. Again, change is good. Live up for it. It's time to restart.